Hello and welcome to another of my Dr. Chuck Programs with AI. In this episode, I am going to build a little Django application called courseport.org, which is designed to upload zip files that contain course exports from various learning management systems like Sakai and Moodle and Canvas and edX. And so I start just playing with some PHP and using Cursor to build some HTML and some CSS, and it's doing a great job. And then I finally say, you know what, I'm going to convert this all to a Django application because I need to put it in production, because I had another piece of code that was a sample code from Django for Everybody that handled zip uploading and exploding and exploring. And so I'm like, I'll take these two things and put them together and put them up in Django and use AI all along. So here's a couple hours of just me stumbling along, learning AI, but getting cool stuff done. Hello, we've been using AI to build a little piece of a website that I call CoursePort, where it's you can upload course content and it doesn't do anything; it just blows up. But I've been using AI really quickly to build all this stuff. I haven't written much of this code at all, and so I've been serving this in my I've been serving this up just in my MAMP. I wrote PHP code, but it doesn't really mean anything. And so I'm just like, hey AI, can I convert this to a Django application with index PHP moved into a view template and the images in a static folder? I mean, I don't know what's going to happen here. I just don't know what's going to happen here. Woo! So let's go. Let's go. Holy crap. It's doing something. It is doing something. Seems to know a lot about Django. Here we go. I'm converting this to Django. Let's see what happens. Static files. Yep. Okay. Let's I got a copy of it. Let's just fire away. Let's accept all of it. I don't know what that means. I got to apply all of it. Okay. Let's see. I did not know what's happening. We're just going to say apply really fast. Go. I'm going to have to clean this mess up. How to just tell it to go, go, go. Okay, that's in. That's in the template. Let's do this. We're going to views.py. Okay, is that a project? This looks like Django 1. Can you convert this to Django? Okay, got to accept all that. to. There's got to be an apply all somewhere. I want to apply all of them. Okay. Well, here we are. Yeah. Could you move the images into a folder called static images and serve them using static files? Yeah, I don't like collect static. Okay, let's apply all those. I don't like collect static. Serve them directly using static Django. Using Django static files. This is still a mess. I don't like collect static. Okay, I'm happy with that. Okay, man. Oh, I see. We got a project called the Upload Projects. So what do we got here now? Can you add a manage.py? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Okay, let's see what happens when we start this baby up. Python manage.py run. Let's just check. Let's not be too optimistic. Boom. Oh, that's right. I got to make a virtual environment. I just want to rename this upload project. Let's rename. Let's rename upload project to config. Yeah, like it, like it, like it, like it. Like it, like it. Bam. Accept file. Bam. Okay, do I feel like trying to make this thing work? Don't save. Okay, so what do we got here? Okay, so now I want to create a virtual environment. Gotta make a README to teach myself. Don't even have it in GitHub yet, but oops. I don't know. That's not all right, but okay. So what am I going to do here? I'm going to test this. I want to make a virtual environment. Requirements file here. Okay, so let's see if I can see what happens when we start this thing up. So I just made a virtual environment. Let's activate it. Check our Python version. Install our requirements. Nice. Check our Django version. Now let's just say Python manage PyCheck. No module name config.settings. Okay. Let's go take a look at manage.py. Where do you hide manage.py here? Yeah, this, I don't think we're ever gonna, I just don't think we're ever gonna get this part to work here. This config, where's the settings.py? Upload project settings.py. Maybe. Upload config. Move star./config. Let's try manage again. Oh, I gotta activate. What am I doing here? What's in the README? Oh, source. I'll do it here. Basters not defined. Yeah. I mean, I just kind of don't know what's going on here. So I'm going to have to move this all around anyways. I'm going to just move this into my Django space. Okay, so I'm going to say Django admin start project coursework. And then I just don't like the convention where the settings.py lives in course port, but let's just, okay, we're fine. Python manage.py check. Oh, oh, we're going to make another VM, virtual environment. Okay. That was a quick, that virtual environment gets made really fast. That's all our requirements. Hey, we got something. I am going to I'll put this in. I'm going to put this in Get right now. Arc. Go to Get. Create repository. Create repository. Course port. Okay. Where are we at? Get it init. Get add dot. Get add dot. Get ignore. Get status. Oh. Fiddlesticks. Get status. Yeah, we're going to have to do this. We're going to delete this little guy. Get status. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Okay, what do we do now? First commit, set the main to branch, push to the origin, and push her up into Git. Yep, there we go. There we go. Okay, so now we go into my repo, and it's all there. And I do Python manage py check. Okay, so now I'm going to take this stuff. Wait a sec. I thought they put those in the images. One of these in static. It's okay. I'll do it. Okay. Move course. Let's just close this guy. Move course part into Django. Okay, let's make a static folder. Static images. Move old / star JPEG to static / images. That's old. Okay, so where are we at? What's left in old? Notes. Pull up the README. Git ignore. Old. Git status. Okay, what else is in old? So I'm going to get status. Course port. Get status. Get head dot. Get status. Get commit -a. Move old stuff in. Get push. Should have done a Python manage try check. Manage.oi check. What's wrong with my... What happened? What did I do that messed things up? Huh. Let's do the VM again. And let's go back into our super brainy text editor. And let's open up our new guy, README. Okay. Done with that. Yeah, I'm just moving this darn PHP application over. Are we there? Got Django. So why can't I do a Python manage py check? Oh, I can. To do git status. I got everything. It's all committed. Okay, so that's cool. That's very cool. So let's do Python manage py. Start app. Let's call it upload. That's new. Okay. Let's go into course port settings. Does it know I just made? No, it's not polls. It's upload. Why does it know that? Okay, no. Python manage py check. Okay, so now I think if we look in, okay, that's nice. Upload. Nothing in views. Okay, so I'm going to move old, what's it called? Uploads. Views.py into upload. Boom. So now I got that code. Now I'm going to say move old uploads urls.py. Upload. Move old slash uploads templates to upload. Upload templates. I changed its name, so I'm going to change this. Move uploads to upload.
Mandy's on her way over, so I guess I can't make breakfast.
Oh, don't worry about it. I'll be fine.
Okay.
I got coffee. Let's just do Python manage PyCheck again. So we're going to move old static what the hell? Oh, static is already there. Okay. So what do we got? Get status. Get add upload. Yep, we're good. That's good stuff to commit. Okay, so that's uploaded. And that's uploaded. So now what do we got? Our views.py. What's this problem? Hey, let's try this. Python manage py run server. Python managed py.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Mandy. I'm on a Zoom. I'm on a thing, but I'm just talking.
Should I come in, or are you in the mood where you just want to like lacerate me?
You can come in, but I'm in this middle of a recording, so we're not going to chit chat.
Well, I don't want to be verbally lacerated, so I can run away and die.
You just, and whatever.
I called Dad yesterday and said, "What might happen to my job?"
You're on my stream. You're on my stream. Don't say mean things about me while you're on my stream. Okay, so now. Okay. Okay, path. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Why is this complaining? No module named uploads. Where? Okay, we're going to do grep minus r uploads. What did I get wrong? Whoa, not old. are uploads. Star grep minus b bold. Okay. Move old to /temp. I'm mostly done with old at this point. Upload urls.py. It got that quite wrong. Ow, it's a wrong, this is a wrong URLs. Okay. Fix this urls.py to be an application. Style urls.py. Yep, I'm loving you. Apply. Accept file. Thank you. No. Can you look in the views.py and add path entries for each view? Okay. Looking at the views that you shared earlier. Yup, yummy, yummy, loving it, loving every minute. Boom. Apply that. Yeah. We do not need this crap. I'm going to save this. Save that. We don't need this. And we don't need that. I think it's all we need. Boom. Okay. Now let's do Python manage Python manage py check. Oh. Okay. So that means app name is oops. This is wrong. It is upload. Let's check our templates upload. And let's check our views. Upload. Yeah, I had no idea what to do with these uploads yet. Python manage py check. Let's try a run server. What do we got? Upload index.html. Ha! What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Does that work? I don't know if that works or not. We're going to have to put the star here. Apparently upload does work there. That's quite nice. Reverse for upload files. It is not a view or valid function pattern name. Hey, let's go over here. Let's go over here and say that. What? Ha! Singular to plural. Bang. Except that stuff right there. Let's see what happens. Screech. Upload views. Let's go here. Hey man, we're having some fun with this Django. This is costing me a lot. Yep, apply that one. Accept that. This is really amazing. Let's see what we got now. Upload files not found. No. You can't, that can't be true. Yeah, go ahead and fix my templates. Fix the templates. Go ahead. Like, why would I fix the templates? Oh, I don't have access to the templates. Now you do. Now you have access to the templates. Let's update it. Cruising around. Wait. Uploads. That doesn't really quite look right. How could that be? No. I want it to be upload. What is the app name? The app name is upload. URLs.py. No. I want the app name. I want the app name to be upload. Quit trying to fix that stuff. Let's try this. No, I'm recording. They'll be watching later. But that doesn't mean that you can kind of come in and completely distract me, because people will be watching. It's not video. I'm wearing...
I'm like, people are going to see me.
No, the people are not going to see you. You have a dog following you, and they're not going to see the dog either.
Oh, what are you doing?
So what I'm doing right now
Yeah.
is I am recording coding using artificial intelligence. So
Are there laser beams involved?
there are no laser beams involved.
An alligator skin?
There's no alligator skin, and there's no cobalt 60. But it is terrifying.
What do you want, my man?
No, there's no cobalt 60 at all. And there's no laser beams. And there's no alligator people.
Me and Brie are on this horror movie kick. Like 40s, 30s, 40s.
Mom wants to watch Black Lagoon.
This is really good. I already watched it. I mean, I'm sure
Yeah.
you watched it before, but...
Well, but I don't remember movies, so...
The way they shot that was really pretty, Mom. And do you know a lot of that was
Do you know
shot
what I was
in a tank? Not alligator people. Black Lagoon.
Yeah.
Really deep Olympic pool.
So, that Alligator People movie was amazing. I mean, I looked at how it was shot.
Yeah.
I bet they shot that in like 3 weeks
You think so?
on the Universal backlot.
Oh, well.
I mean, I think, and it was a short movie.
Mm-hmm.
I think it'd be fun to sort of like just have a little, I'd love to have a little film company that would just remake those movies in a modern way, but no better. Like just make them, just start making B movies for straight to internet.
Mm-hmm. That'd be cool.
Because the B-ness of it, with the sets and the makeup, just have a little film company that's got like just a good set of people, but only like 4 people.
Mm-hmm.
And just make films and put that latex on a dude's face and kind of scrape it up and just shoot with black and white. You could even shoot them in black and
I was
white.
gonna say, like, I feel like the HD would kind of make it harder to do those things.
Age what?
HD would be harder to do those things.
But you wouldn't. You'd filter it so you didn't notice it. You'd filter it down to non-HD. But that's in Panavision, so that's high definition enough. They just did it with lighting. They made sure you were always in a dark swamp and you could, yeah, exactly.
Don't come near me.
I love that film.
I know, isn't it good?
Do you know what I liked the most about it?
What?
It was not what I expected. It had a twist.
It did.
I just didn't understand her motivation. I didn't understand what her point was.
Yeah.
I had no idea what the mean lady was.
Mm-hmm.
I had no idea that all these people would kind of be just living happily ever after, except the one evil Cajun guy. And I just couldn't believe she didn't run away when she had the chance. This whole thing seemed like if I was in that situation, I'd be out. And she refused to be out, and then she kept digging in deeper. But she was in love.
With her alligator man.
And with the man.
Yep.
And I thought that, I mean, the magic drug is hydrocortisone. That's a real thing.
I know it is.
And it's good for healing. I mean, here's this, like, completely, everything in the movie is completely foolish. And
I also watched The Spider. Have you seen that one?
no.
Like the tarantula.
Yeah, that one.
And it's literally just like a little dollhouse. And
Yeah.
like, no, no, it's like.
Yeah. No, I mean, so it was,
In the Blob. Watch The Blob.
yeah, Blob would scare me. I saw that as a kid. Or at least I saw the previews of the Blob as a kid, like a Bambi movie or something. Terrified the crap out of me.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'll let you get back to your
Coding.
AI coding.
Yeah, I'm trying to change some. Yeah. AI's fallen down on me at times. The problem I have with AI at times is that it just kind of gets too full of itself, and it starts changing stuff, and then it changes stuff back. And then, like, okay, we gotta stay one way, because like I've got this string uploads, and I want it to be upload. So that's it. Okay, well, let me see if I can get this damn code to work.
All right, well, you do that.
Yeah, upload files is not a valid file. Okay, so I'm going to my templates. Oh, okay, that's all.
In there because you're not even on video. What? I was crawling in there so that it was not on the video. Not even video. And then Shelly followed.
Oh, it's kind of working. It's kind of working.
Oh, there's dog puke right here. What? Oh, sorry. But there is. There's dog puke right here.
Hey, it worked. It worked. Something happened. I just had to make one change, Mandy. Okay, so let's do a commit of that. Git status. What do we got? No. Oh, shit. Oh, we gotta not put that there. db.sqlite2. What files do I have here again? SQLite3. And then I gotta tell this in settings where to put the uploaded files. No. Where does it put the uploads at? Oh. That's in my. Is that in my views.py? Where is views.py? Come back. Views.py. Okay. RM. Okay, so we're going to save this, and we're going to run it. Reload.
Don't ignore my dog all day.
Okay, I'll let your dog out.
No, if you let her out, don't leave her out.
Okay, I'll let your dog back in. Okay. Get ignore. Temp. Get status. Okay. Git commit. Let me say progress. Git push. Okay, where are we at? We're making progress. Okay, so now I think the only thing, our next thing to do is
we are going to copy in some stuff from my sample code. Okay, that'll be okay. That'll be okay. I'm sure that's fine. Okay, so I need to contrib static files. Is that in here? Okay, it is in there. Oh, and then that's a path. That's a path. VI path URLs. Okay, so we're going to copy that into URLs. Nope. No, I don't want like that. Where's the RE path? Path include RE path. No, that's going to be static. I'm going to save that. And then we're going to, our application should be oh, snapperoo. Let's go into settings. Let's go into here. Boom. Let's see what we got. Okay, save that. See what happens. Okay, that looks better. So let's see if we're getting our static files yet. Directory indexes are not allowed. Yeah, I don't like it. I want directory indexes. How do I do show indexes true? Bugger. Name equals temp path. What the hell? Images. / crapperoo. How come my indexes are not there? Get out of there. Oh. I'm going to say static. I think it's the 7.3 one here. Boop. Static images. What? I cannot get status. Wait a second. Get rid of the pi caches. Whoa. No, no, no. These pi caches must have sneaked in. Get status. Get diff. Course port urls.py. That's good stuff. Git commit. When I say cleanup. in that goes. Okay, so why is what is the baster? Where's the baster? It is Django course port. Okay, so that's where I think I want it. No, I want static. No, I don't want that. Why do you think I want that? No. No. I am getting no. No. And you know, why are you doing it in temp? I want to serve the files in the static folder and show indexes. Oh, there was a typo right there, right there. There we go. Yep, there was a typo. This guy's obsessed with the uploads folder. Believe me, I'm going to do something else for uploads. Okay, that was why I wasn't seeing the static indexes. I wish I could tell the damn thing. You bastards. Static path. Name equals static path. Well, let's go static images. Gemini. Shoot. He's just not finding it. Is there something else going on here? Is there something in settings? That's okay. Go to settings. It's there. Damn it. Okay, we are going to we're going to switch to my site pattern. Save that. Try to run it. So now let's see if I can get to /site. I got this feeling that it's got this idea. Yeah, okay. So somehow it's obsessed with static. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. So just don't name it static, because then you're sort of running afoul of. Yay! Now we can do this. Now we can go into our templates. Come to templates. The file is /static/images. Save that. Now we go to course port. Upload course content. Wait. What's wrong? How come my static? How come it's not coming? Network. Come to Daddy network. Reload. Not found. Not found. Oh, too many statics. Oh, yes, I see what we're doing here. No, I don't want static there. That's what we don't want. I don't want any of this stuff. Yeah. I do not like you, Sam, I am. Yeah, there we go. What we got? Oh, no favicon. Need a favicon. But before we do that, I'll take it. Do I have a Sakai favicon? I have a Sakai favicon. Git status. Let's git add site. Git commit -a. More progress. And the site. Git push. Okay, so now. Okay, so let's see what we're doing now. Oh, I want a favicon. So I'm going to go into Sakai. Scripts, find Apache. His name. Here we go. is that our favicon? Okay, I guess that'll be my favicon. Copy. Copy. Yikes, where is it? Favicon.ico. Oh, no. Web apps root. What? What am I doing wrong? What? Okay, let's see if I got a favicon. Favicon right there. Come to daddy with a favicon. Am I not? What's going on? Oh, shit. Whoa. Yeah. What? 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 What's going on? Where'd that favicon go? Okay, so I got a favicon. Now I got to do the favicon route, and I got a code for that in samples, I think. Am I in the too deep folder? Yeah. God dang it. So we've got a little path here. We're going to put that into urls.py. We're going to put a favicon in. This is site. I don't know if that's right or not. Okay, let's go back to here. See if it's coming out at the root. And it is. And now I can go like that. And I won't have 404 not founds on my favicon. There we go. No 404 not founds on my favicon. Let's commit that little progress. Git status, git add site So we're almost MVP now. We got a favicon. It's all good. Favicon's all good. Okay, so let's see. We got a favicon. We got upload course content. Well, now so now I got this code that runs on samples, this zip code, and I just want to steal this zip code right there. Submit. Okay, so I don't know how to copy stuff from here to there, but ultimately there's going to be a templates. Can I open 2 folders at the same time? I don't know if I can or not, but it doesn't matter. Oops. We're done with that one. So we're going to copy this. Copy that / zip dump to upload templates. Upload. So now we have a zip dump. Okay, and then we're going to have a take a look at zip views. Upload view. Well, let's just copy that whole mess into views.py and tweak a bit. Let's see what we got in views.py. Is that any? Yeah, that doesn't. Yeah, okay. We don't need none of that. Okay, so we're going to copy zip / views to upload. So this is going to be upload index.html. You're right about that. And how smart are you? Are you smart enough to know how to do the urls.py? No, you're not. You're not smart enough. What the hell? Let's do this. Let's copy the urls.py into upload. Now that's going to mess up because the app name's going to be wrong. What do we just do? What do we just do? That's done. That's done. We don't care about that. And we don't care about AI for now. urls.py. Okay. So we're going to name this guy upload. That's guy's upload. Zip. See, this is what I hate. I hit the tab. I do not know. Let's see if it's happy about that. So yeah, we can change this in a minute. We're going to change that in a minute. We're going to, yeah, we'll see what goes on here. What happens in, let's do Python. We changed a bunch of stuff here. Let's just kind of run it. Okay, there we go. It should be running. So now we're going here. Boom! Upload files is not a view. Why exactly do you keep? Jesus. Why do you keep changing that? Oh, the name is upload files. Oh, okay. So no, I didn't mean to change that. Let's go see what it thinks in that template. Oh, Oh, but we can just change this here. Upload file. Zzz. See if that does it. Okay. Upload course content. Zip. What are we doing here? Multi-view dictionary. Oh, because we have got to go find. Got to find the what it was named in that template. What did we name it? We named the file zip. So let's go fix that. We're going to name equals zip. And we're not going to take multiple. And let's see if that makes a difference. Boom. Upload course content. Where in the crap are we here? Request files. Oh, maybe I need to reload this thing. Back. Reload. Inspect. Inspect. Oh, we don't want that, whatever that is the name of this guy. Name equals zip. Okay, let's try it again. Template does not exist at /upload. Oh, that's okay, because we aren't named zip anymore. Go into our views. We'll go into our views. Request file zip, and then we gotta go upload. Run that. Happy. Okay, let's try again. Cut that out. Boom, boom. Holy mackerel, that was quick. Okay, so now we just have to put a link in here. We just have to put a link in here. Okay, well, let's get some help. Zip dump. Let's get some help from AI. Add a link back to the main view here. Add a link back to the main view here. Come to daddy. Yeah, that's good enough. Apply that. We'll see what it looks like, and we'll make it a little prettier lately. Back to main page. Okay, so we are going to thank you. That was very helpful. How do I can we style the link as a button? We style the link as a button. Yeah, let's make it a button. Let's make it a button. Button, button, who's got the button? Back to main page. And then let's put it inside the H1. Yeah, these are too easy. Too easy. Back to main page. Let's make it smaller. Let's make the H1 and the button smaller. Yeah, let's give that a try. Let's give that a try. Okay, I want to do some work by myself, you know. No, let's not. Let's put the button, no, let's leave it alone. Let's leave it alone. Okay, so let's commit this because that's pretty cool. Get status. Yeah, git add, upload, get status, git commit -a. Yeah. Okay, so let's put this bugger in production. Okay, well, I'm going to have to stop for now because I've been coding and I need to become a teacher. And so maybe I will add another one where I set up Cloudflare and then move this into Python for everybody. We'll see. Okay, cheers. So hello and welcome back. I made a good deal of progress. I got it up. I got it up on courseport.org, which was that's running on Python Anywhere. Maybe I'll walk you through that at some point. It had domain name stuff in it, and Cloudflare and DreamHost, and it's always frustrating doing domain name stuff because sometimes you just got to wait 20 minutes for something to work. So I'm working on a new feature here, and I just had AI build all this stuff. I just told it to give me a question mark button in the upper right hand corner with a modal dialog so that I could put a little bit of text. The design of this is it's the easy button, right? So I think the next thing, maybe they'll do this, right? Let's put a different button in the upper right. I was going to work on something sort of serious, but let's work on something fun here. Let's just tell it, add a refresh button in the upper right that, the other thing I did is, you'll see it, every 120 seconds it advances this picture and it has a random picture. It does I went to, it's all about containers, right? Course containers. Add a refresh button in the upper right. So I got all these images somewhere down here. I got this list of images, right? And it changes the image. Add the refresh button in the upper right that when pressed will automatically cycle. Well, we'll just have it call the change image, call change image function. So I want to add a refresh button in the upper right that when pressed will automatically do the change image. So there we go. So one of the things this is so easy, right? I don't know what that picture's going to be. We'll see what's going on. I made a refresh button. Okay, and so let's apply this. I mean, it's all right after a while. You want to have some reusable styling, but I'm just not in a hurry. This can be simple and ugly at the beginning. So we'll just accept all those changes. There we go. And so my run server. Yeah, so let's go into my browser now. Let's reload it. Where's my button? Oh, it's another button. Oh, I got it. It put it also in the upper right, so we got to refresh. Oh, look at that. It does it. I don't even know what I did, right? I'm not good at CSS, and it does something. I'll move the refresh. Let's see. How about this? Move the question mark button to upper left. Let's move that to upper left. It's like I got a really good CSS coder that doesn't think about like long term. Boom. Accept. Is that it? Are they using fixed? Yep, fixed. I would have done fixed. So that's going to hopefully move that question mark button over there. Let's say snug that refresh button to the upper right corner. Let's see if it likes that. Yeah, 70 picks. Yeah, that should snug that. So now I got a question mark button that shows my modal. And then I got a refresh button. That just changes the picture automatically instead of waiting 120 seconds, whatever it is. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? So I think I'm going to commit this. I'll come back to that in a bit. Get status, get commit -a, buttons, get push. Okay, so now I'm going to ask it to do something more difficult. So I'm going to move into views.py. So the way this thing does is so I'm going to make it hard, okay? So in addition to extracting data from a zip file, I would also like to extract and display data from a tar GZ file. Let's see what it thinks about what. Holy crap. Holy crap. This is kind of amazing. So let's okay, I got this all committed. It knows holy mackerel, you're just amazing, folks. Okay, I have no idea. Let's just apply it and see what happens. That is amazing. Let's accept it all. So it knows something about tar files. And I have no idea if this is going to work. But let's just save it. See what happens. Run server works. I'm going to start it all from scratch. Holy mackerel. I'll be doggoned. Let's find out what's going on here. I'm just like gobsmacked here. So I got this is a downloaded from OpenEdX, and it will just like blow my mind if this actually works. Are you kidding me? Holy shnikes. Holy shnikes. Back to main page. Let's make sure that It still understands a common cartridge, which it does. Let's grab a canvas export, which it, holy mackerel. It just literally blows me away how smart that is. It just knows about the tar. I mean, no. Okay, well, we're going to have to name that a TGZ file because that's how it did it. Tar file open, file list equals zip file. Okay, so it needs this. It would be good if it actually could read it and look at the header. The headers of these things are different, but that's okay. I'm just gonna go with that. So let's copy cd into site/download. Copy /downloads /course into edX export .tar.gz. Yeah. And now let's go into our index.html code. Come on. Show me index.html, and I got to add to the list. I'm going to make this at X. Wow. Because edX isn't a zip. IMS common cartridges are zips, and edX is a tar.gz. So what's cool about this, let me save that, which will then reload it. Let's hit the question mark. Actually, I'm going to swap the position of the help and refresh buttons. Swap the position of the help and refresh buttons. Yeah, gotta love it. Should be only a couple lines, right? Yeah, it's like it's applying diffs because there's only just a few things to apply there. Okay, because I like having the most likely thing that you're going to want to hit. Okay, so now that's going to download an edX cartridge, and now let's upload an edX cartridge, and it works, and it works, and it works. I mean, I've never looked at the inside of an edX cartridge myself, but I would like to be able to, understand this. It doesn't look, what's cool about these proprietary cartridges, Canvas, edX, or otherwise. Yeah. That is just frickin' yummy. Oh man, that is so nice. You just commit that bugger. Get status, get add site, get commit, -a. So like 10 minutes later, I added edX support to my zip browser. Refresh button. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to update my Python Anywhere. So those of you who watched me in class, I use Python Anywhere. Let's go to this is my paid Python Anywhere. We're going to go to course support, but first I'm going to open a console. I already got a console. Where am I at? Come to daddy. This is in a course port right here. Yeah, pwd get remote -v. This is where, that's where I've got this thing. Get pull. Yum yum. At X is, so the canvas export. Okay. Okay, cool. Get pull. Let's just do Python manage py check. I didn't change any config, so it's not likely to do that. So now we're going to hit the reload button and wait. And then we're going to go here. Boop. So now I got my question mark button. All these guys are here. We can upload a netx export. Oh, it's slow. I need a spinner. Holy crap. Okay. Okay. So there we go. So, oh, there we go. That's my family stuff. Well, hey, we got an AI helper. Let's just say add a spinner to indicate indicate that the upload has started once the file has been submitted. Spinner overlay, spinner, 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 woogity, woogity, woogity. Here we go. Let's write some code. Let's write a lot of code. Let's apply it. Let's just accept everything. I see how my students get just totally boggled. It's so amazing. It's so boggling. It's so mind-boggling. So now I want to test this on localhost. Let's upload something slow. Oh, it does spin. It does spin. Okay, come on back. Let's commit that. Get status. Get commit -a. Add spinner. See how fast I am? Fast, fast, fast. Now let's go to my bash console. Get pull to get the spinner. Zoopity doopity. Hit reload. I really wish the Python editor would do this. Python manage.py reload. And frankly, if they give me something, I would teach my manage.py's reload. I would teach all my students how to do that. Like I'm here, it knows. Reload from here. But it doesn't work. Or a reload button. Okay. Let's go to courseport.org. Cancel. Back to main page. Okay. Hey, let's change the picture. Yeah, that's a much cooler picture of containers. I wish someone would give me I'm terrible at graphic images and even more terribler at asking AI to make me graphic images. But hey, it's better. It's not what I'm interested in. So now it's 34 megabytes. Huh. Okay. I better make sure that there we go. Uploading, uploading, uploading. And there it is. Why is it 34 megabytes? It's got a PNG. Hey, I recognize that. Oh, no, that's XML. Course video. Do I have video files in here? Maybe I'm not showing. There's no link for PDF. SRTs. They're not big. The papers that I put in there. I don't know. Gotta be something big in here. Let's try something. This got extracted here. Is there like an assets folder? Course, policies, problems, video. Oh, video. No, that's just XML. Huh. $34 meg. Maybe 34 meg isn't that big. Is it big or not? Let's go into this folder. So what's cool about Macintosh? No, it doesn't have the videos. It's got some PDF files that are big. So it doesn't tell me. So there we go. That's not a big deal. Okay. It just is a little slow. I gotta check. It's gonna upload that. It said something about I gotta do this with a temporary file. So let's go into the views.py and say explain how the temporary is deleted safely after the data is shown. So I want to make sure it knows, okay, so in process archive file, so we got a finally. Oh, okay. So they put it in /temp archive. So does that mean that sitting here on Python Anywhere, I'm using the temp folder? Yeah, I guess. Wonder if that temp folder. I don't know. Nope. Okay. 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 Let me see if my video works. Yeah, so hi everybody. I'm in my office. It's dark. I got a purple light. I'm kind of working in the dark. Getting ready to go home, so you're seeing me from my office. This little set of videos has been, for me, really impressive. I mean, I started out with just doing HTML and some PHP code, and then I thought, I'm going to record it when I tell this thing to just convert it to a Django application. And so I did. And I converted it to a Django application. And it didn't do perfect in a Django. It wasn't clear to me whether it even knew it was using Django 4 or Django 1, but it certainly knew what a views.py was, and it knew that the HTML had to end up in a template. So a lot of things it got right. The settings.py, I bet if I had built a Django application and told it to inject all that code, a Django project, and told that to inject it into that Django project as an application named upload, I think it would have done better. But it did surprisingly well, and its concept of what a Django application is strong. And certainly its HTML and CSS skill is very strong. Maybe I could ask it, like, is there reusability that you want to do? But for now, this is just a fun toy project, and it's accomplishing what I want to accomplish. So at some point, I'm working on a minimum viable product. It's like me in a startup. This whole course port thing for me is, we use it in the quality assurance process of Sakai, where we're building import and export code, and the exports are zips, and we have historically just had to unzip these files on our computer and look at them by hand and then zip them back up. And I'm like, why don't I make a little thing? And that's what CoursePort is. Someday I hope CoursePort is able to convert between these various formats. But mostly this is about AI, it's about Django, and I'm pleased. And you know, the problem is that when it goes bad, you got to catch it, and you got to know it, and you got to dig it out of a mess. But it'll have done a bunch of work for you. It just won't quite have done it right. The biggest struggle I had probably was when I named my site folder static. It just thought that was the static that is Django. I hate how Django handles static. I just hate it. So if you take my course, you'll see I don't use static. I use a thing called site. And so I leave static alone. I don't have to collect static because I use Cloudflare to proxy and cache all my static content. So I use the dev server that serves static content, but then I cache it in my edge. So this little tiny Python Anywhere server can cache its static content fiercely. So now comes to an end a fun little exercise in building a Django application. Cheers.